If you face this problem, you have to reset your E-steps. How to calibrate your E-steps in Ender 3? First, you have to start preheating your nozzle to 200. I'm using PLA, so I'm heating to 200. Get yourself a ruler and a sketch or a marker. Set your ruler, mark 12 centimeter. Go to the motor and select extruder and move 100 mm. After extrusion, check for the remaining part and mark the reading. To know your steps, go to menu, select configuration and select advanced settings, and then select steps by millimeter, and here is your e-steps. So this is mine, yours may differ. So our initial length is 120 mm and our final length after 100 millimeter extrusion we get 30.1 millimeter. So if you minus them, you'll get a value and divide that value by 100 divided by 89.9 and you will get a factor, and use this formula to set your new e-steps. So this is my e-steps. Actually this is a old e-step, so yours may differ, so check that out and set your e-steps by this value. Set your new e-steps value and get printing.